I seldom use this small traditional petting house anvil, so today I decided to put it front and center. I just set it down and won't secure it. Today I want to make a length of unwelded chain. I'm marking where about 3/4 of an inch thickness is on the horn, and these pieces are about 6 inches long each. I need to recognize two guys for their recent, very generous donations. They are Gregory Miller and Gary Gilbert. Thanks very much, fellas. I came up with the dimensions by doing a rough sketch. Two 3/4 inch rods separated by about a 1/2 inch, and wrapped with the 8mm rod gave me a rough idea of what these links would look like. And then I just measured that to figure out the 6-inch length. These are just rough measurements, so I'm just doing this first link and we'll see how it looks. So now I've just grabbed some pieces next to me and just sort of trying to make a jig on the fly, just to make this a little bit more consistent or maybe a little bit quicker. These are two separate pieces of 3/4 inch round. I adjust a little wider to match the link I've already made. So, what could an unwelded chain be used for? Well, I can think of some decorative and also functional uses. In the past, I made gutter downspouts out of chains like this. Also, you could use it on a light fixture, maybe something hanging from the ceiling like a ceiling lamp or chandelier, or maybe just a line for hanging items from. The possibilities are numerous. I change my technique a little and just go halfway on one heat. that 1 3/4 inch rod moves a bit, and for me it's not a big deal, but if you were to do a lot of these, you probably want to make the two parts of that from one piece. Just make a U shape. So here you can see things from another angle. That one rod collapsing in is starting to bother me. So I think I'll just come up with a very low-tech, simple solution rather than making any other kind of jig. So this is my solution. This is really just doing things on the fly. It works, so it's good enough for me. Hey, look at those new pants and shirt. Ready to go out on the town. There are several ways you might go about making links like this. This is just one of many ways. You could make a jig, keep the stock long, and wrap and cut, and that's fine, but for me I prefer to cut the pieces to length beforehand. I'm sorry that my camera's position is a little off during this segment. Oh, there it is. Definitely not perfect, definitely handmade, good enough for this job. Catch you guys next time.